first one
Ano,
is
Jong, sabi mo? Ilang beses ka bumagsak?
4.
4 times.
Yes.
Tapos anong sabi mo? When
So,
you...
Sabi ko, when I fail the 5th time, I won't be driving anymore. I will just call Tito Jing, Kuya Jing to drive me. But
So-
then, you know, I pass the 5th
So is
one.
this a manual or a automatic car?
It's an automatic car.
Wow.
Wow.
And then failed 4 times.
Yes. So
Wow.
the first fail, I didn't give way. But I saw the car is too far away.
Yeah.
But then the instructor says no, it's not, because look, when you look after 3 seconds, he's at the back of your car.
Yeah.
So that's the first one. The second one, I did the hill start.
Oh yeah, and you stole. Oh wait,
No, I didn't install because it's
That's
automatic.
yeah.
Yes. So what I did, when it's all ready, so I did all the gymish stuff. So when I'm ready to go, and the instructor says, okay, go. Okay, go. So I did the gymish, and then I put all the things.
Yeah.
And then when I step on the accelerator, the car's supposed to go forward,
Yeah.
but the car's reverse.
Oh no. Yeah.
Because the car is automatic, I
Yeah.
thought I put it on the drive,
Oh.
but I put it on the reverse. So that's the second. And the third one is I didn't look for because there's a bike.
Yeah.
There's turn left here.
Oh.
So there's a bike. It's on the side, so I'm careful not to, keep my distance on the bike.
Yeah.
So I was careful, but then I was too slow. And then the car's piling up.
Yeah.
So the
Oh,
instructor failed me again.
Because holding up traffic.
Yes. No, I think it's only three times. The fourth one I passed.
Oh.
Yes.
That's not four.
Very good.
So the fourth one, I did avoid all of that.
Straight?
Good. Yeah, go
Oh,
left.
yeah.
left.
Oh, left.
So good thing I didn't see any bike that time.
Yeah. But,
So that's why I passed
yeah.
on the fourth one.
Oh, that's good. I guess. It's just small thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.